Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So I'm looking at these two espresso machines, the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo and the Breville Barista Pro. Both renewed, right?
Yeah, both are renewed, which might impact the price a bit. The De'Longhi is listed as renewed, while the Breville is certified remanufactured. That Breville one is from Amazon resale, which could be a plus.
Okay, good to know. First impressions? The De'Longhi boasts 6 one-touch recipes with color icons, including iced coffee, which is pretty cool.
The Breville seems more focused on pure espresso quality. It mentions third-wave specialty coffee and emphasizes precise temperature control, with its thermojet heating system that heats up in 3 seconds.
3 seconds? Wow! The De'Longhi just says it has a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings.
The Breville also has a conical burr grinder, and it focuses on dose control grinding, ensuring you get the right amount of coffee for maximum flavor. Plus, low-pressure pre-infusion for even extraction. Sounds fancy.
Sounds like it. What about the milk frothing?
The De'Longhi has a, quote, traditional milk frother. The Breville has a manual microfoam milk texturing steam wand. So the Breville is geared towards latte art and a more controlled frothing experience.
I see. What about cleaning?
The De'Longhi highlights removable and dishwasher-safe parts. The Breville doesn't specifically mention dishwasher-safe parts.
Dimensions-wise?
The De'Longhi is a bit bigger at 17.32, DX 9.45, WX 14.17H, compared to the Breville at 13, DX 16 inches, WX 14H. The Breville looks wider while the De'Longhi is deeper. Also, the Breville is heavier, 24.4 pounds versus the De'Longhi's 20.8 pounds.
And what about reliability? The De'Longhi has no reviews, but the Breville has 20 reviews with an average of 3.6 out of 5 stars.
Right? The Breville being certified remanufactured and sold by Amazon resale probably means it has been checked more thoroughly. But, renewed products can be a bit of a gamble.
Yeah, true. So if I want convenience and iced coffee, the De'Longhi is the way to go?
If you want more control over your espresso and milk texture and are willing to spend a bit more for the Breville, that might be the better choice. It really comes down to what you prioritize in your coffee routine.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.